Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is the first day of my NEET preparation after all the re-NEET mess, and I decided to start with basic maths. I know a lot of people start with biology or chemistry, but I thought starting with basic maths would make solving physics numericals a little easier because I am literally scared of physics. When I opened the lecture, I was actually excited because I felt like I was finally starting again. But around 15 to 20 minutes, I remembered that I had already studied this chapter back in 11th, and I also made proper notes for it. Not just that, I also made short notes for quick revision. So that made me a little bit confused. Like, should I make fresh notes again or should I just continue with the old notes? I kept thinking about it because, on one hand, making notes again helps you remember things, but on the other hand, it also takes a lot of time. If notes I already have are good enough, then maybe rewriting everything isn't the best use of my time. So, after thinking for a while, I finally decided that I am not going to rewrite the notes. Instead, I am going to use notes and short notes that I already have. While watching the lectures, I'll focus more on understanding the concepts again and solving questions instead of copying everything in another notebook. For question practice, I'm using a separate book. My plan is simple: watch the lecture, understand the concept, and revise from my old notes whenever needed. And I know one disadvantage of this method, that whenever I revise this chapter in the future, I'll have to go through three different things: my detailed notes, my short notes, and question book. So it might feel a little messy, but I still think it's better than spending hours making another notebook with the same information. And I also decided to write key points on sticky notes and paste it on the wall so that I have the important values which I generally forget. NEET has huge syllabus, and I really don't want to waste time rewriting things that are already written. So I used to spend so much time making neat notes that I sometimes forget that the main goal was actually learning the chapter. And in back 11th, I used to make too much colorful notes. So let's see how this strategy works. If I feel that I am forgetting things or this method isn't helping, I'll change it. But for now, this plan is what I'm going to follow. I'm also going to keep uploading these videos so that I can document my preparation and hopefully stay consistent. I think recording this journey will also keep me accountable because once I tell you all that I'm studying, I actually have to study. I cannot go back. So that's all for today's update. It wasn't a huge study day, but every journey starts somewhere, and today was my first step. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.